Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Upwork account, freelance jobs, and contracts step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or open the Upwork app on your phone. Type Upwork.com in the address bar and press enter. Or tap the Upwork app icon. Wait for the Upwork homepage to fully load before you continue. Find the login button at the top right of the page. Or tap login on the app screen. Click or tap login to open the sign-in page. Choose the correct login method, such as email and password, Google, or Apple. If you use email and password, click the email field and type the email you used for Upwork. Click the password field and type your password carefully. Check that caps lock is not accidentally turned on. If you are on a personal device, you can select Remember Me to stay signed in. Click or tap the login button to submit your details. If Upwork asks for verification, check your email or phone for the security code. Enter the verification code exactly as it appears and continue. If you see a message about suspicious login activity, follow the on-screen security steps. After you sign in, confirm you are on the correct account by checking your profile photo or name. If you have both freelancer and client profiles, switch to the correct mode from the account menu. To access freelance jobs, go to Find Work and then select Find Jobs. Use the search bar to type your skill keywords and press enter. Apply filters like category, experience level, and budget to narrow results. To access your contracts, open the menu and select My Jobs or Contracts. Click a contract to view terms, milestones, hours, and payment details. To message a client, open Messages and select the correct conversation. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the login page. Enter your email, submit the request, and open the password reset email from Upwork. Create a new strong password and then return to the login page to sign in again. If you cannot find the reset email, check spam, promotions, or junk folders. If your account is locked or you still cannot log in, use the Help Center and contact Upwork support. For extra safety, enable two-step verification in settings after you successfully log in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.